Hello everyone, welcome back to Stysha. Wish you all a very happy Diwali, and for that I am going to make the new look for this Diwali. And let's start with the Biotic Bio Honey Water Toner, which is suitable for all types of skin, and I am just loving it. This is my second bottle and you can definitely try this out. After applying toner to my skin, I am going to apply vitamin C face serum, which has been sent by Onbu. If you want a detailed review on this product, go and check out on my Instagram page. Link will be there in the description box. The serum has vitamin C in it, which is really good for all types of skin, and it is suitable for all types of skin. I myself have oily skin and it suits me a lot, so it is almost at the end. I would definitely recommend you to try this out. After applying serum, I am going to apply my moisturizer. This is the Requil moisturizer. It is mainly for the oily skin. I will definitely provide the link in the description box. You can check out. Oily skins, if you want something extra moisturizing for your skin during the winter time, you can definitely go for this one. After applying the moisturizer, I am going to apply primer, and today I am taking SQ First Base Primer Oil because this is a Diwali look and I want it very glowy, sparkly kind of. After applying few drops of primer on your face, you have to massage it very gently. After that, I am going to take a new lip balm from Sattva Naturals, which has been sent by them. This Komudi lip balm is totally natural, cruelty free and handmade. You will find 10 different shades in it, and it has a deep tint of color in it, which prevents from applying lipstick every day. So you can definitely try this out. Today I wanted something new in my makeup, so today I'm not going to use any foundation. This is a Swiss Beauty concealer which I'm going to use as foundation. The shade number and everything will be there in the description box. You can definitely find it from there, and you can check out how good it is working as a foundation as well. Now take a damp beauty blender. If anyone doesn't know what is damp beauty blender, you just have to soak your beauty blender in water and squeeze out all water and rub out all the excess water from your beauty blender and apply that to a dab motion on your skin, so that your foundation, concealer, whatever you are applying applies smoothly and evenly on your skin. And never forget to apply the foundation on the areas which are exposed. Now I'm taking some more concealer to conceal the dark areas of my eyes or corner of my lips or anywhere you want to highlight. Now I'm going to set my base with Bella Vista Compact Powder in the shade 02, and I'm going to apply it with the help of a powder brush which I have bought from Amazon. I will provide the link for you in the description box. And this compact is a magic for me. I never used compact. I always love to use loose powder, but this compact has made my life so easy. It is so suitable to my skin tone. It comes in 3 different shades. One of them is 02, and you can also find 01 and 03. Now I'm going to apply my fixer. I'm taking MAC Prep Plus Prime fixer in the shade Pink Light, and you can see the difference after applying the fixer. For my eye look, today I'm going to take Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palettes in 2 different shades. I will mention the shade numbers along with their links in the description box. I have bought this in a combo pack from Nykaa. Now I have taken a very dark maroon color, which is the shade number 7 in the palette, and these colors are very highly pigmented, so you have to be very careful. I have started applying the eyeshadow from the outer corner of my eyes and blending it till the center of my eyes, as it is going to give my eyes a bigger look. Always blend your eyeshadow till the middle of your eyebrow bone, because you need that slight space between your eyeshadow and your eyebrow, which is going to give your eyeshadow look more clean and defined. Now I'm going to take another Makeup Revolution palette, from where I'm going to apply the shade number 3, which is very sparkly copper golden color, and it is going to complete the eyeshadow look of my day. Because it is a Diwali makeup look, obviously something glowy and sparkly is needed, so this is it. After applying the golden color, I am taking again some of the maroon shade and blending it out so that there will be no harsh lines in the eyeshadow. Now I'm taking a very thin brush and taking some of the maroon color to draw my lower lash line. I'm not going to apply any kajal for today, but I want a bold look, so this is going to help me. And after applying the maroon color till my center of my eyes, I'm going to take the golden color, which I have used for my upper lash line as well. So I'm going to apply it from the inner corner of my eyes till the center of my eyes. Taking some more golden color for the inner corner of my eyes and going to do the same thing to my other eye, so you can see my eye is done. Now I'm taking my Lakme eyeliner and drawing my eyes. So guys, my one eye is done, and this is the hardest part. I have to recreate the same eyeliner look in my other eye. So let's find out how it looks, and finally it looks good. And now I'm going to apply mascara in double coat. If you also hate applying false eyelashes like me, go for the double coat of mascara. Apply one coat of mascara, and after it gets dry for 10 seconds, apply another coat of mascara, and it will look so voluminous that you won't like to give your falsies a try ever again. So my eye look is completely done. Now I'm taking my Miss Claire contour blush and highlighter palette. It comes in one, and this is so good. Like in one you can get three, and three of them work so nicely. Now I'm applying contouring powder, and you guys know that contouring is going to enhance the shape of your face, so do it accordingly. Now I'm taking the highlighting powder and applying it in the places where it is needed, and it is going to highlight the contouring areas as well. Finally, I'm going to draw my eyebrows, and for that I'm taking the eyebrow pencil with the spoolie. I will mention the brand as well as all the details in the description box. Today I'm going to create a thick bold eyebrow look which is going to complement my whole look. Now I'm taking the same Miss Claire palette, and from there I am going to apply the blush. The blush shade complements my skin tone so much. I am in love with this. You will find 3 or 4 shades of this Miss Claire palette. You can definitely check out for yourself as well. Now I'm taking my Lakme face sheer in the shade Sun Kissed. The shade is so good. It will always complement your any kind of Indian look. So I'm applying it, and you can see the change on my skin, the glow it gives. That is really good. So I'm applying it on the bridge of my nose, on my eyebrow bones, cupid of my lips, and any places you want to be highlighted, you can apply it. After applying highlighter, I'm going to use the same fixer once again, covering my eyes. And finally, I'm going to use my lipstick, and for my lipstick I'm taking Sugar Liquid Lipstick in the shade Raisin Raisin. So this is it. This is the final look of my Diwali this year, and I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, please do hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and also press the bell icon if you don't want to miss out any other upcoming videos of me. And wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali ahead. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Love you all. Meet you in the next video.